What's up, guys? I'm so freaking pumped. Motul just sent me a gift basket, and like I can't say enough. I mean, my sponsors are so freaking awesome. It's so exciting and so humbling to know that I have an event coming up here next weekend, and I'm gonna get to put all new products in the car, all new fluids. Guys, I can't thank you enough. Like everybody, 034, Motul, Get Walk-ins, AZ Euros, Integrated Engineering, EBC Brakes, Motorsport Hardware, thank you so much for coming on board. Like, I really can't thank you enough. Like, I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so freaking excited. Like, I work late every single day to make sure that this car is ready to go and ready to rip for the next event. So next weekend we'll be out. We may be meeting up with Hank, maybe doing a private track day. Really excited for that. But Motul, Matt, I can't thank you enough, man. You really pulled through, and I'm really freaking excited to be running your products. I'm actually really excited. I don't know if Matt did this on purpose, but I'm so excited to try their engine clean additive, because with the new single turbo and that on this motor, like, to get all of that material on that out from the fresh turbo, this will be the first oil change on the new turbo. So perfect. Like, thank you so much, Motul. You guys are awesome. And now it hasn't been as cold here as it has been at other parts of the country. As you see, we're nice and sunny weather. But yeah, Motul gloves? Hell yeah! The tiniest little thing. Like, oh yeah, let's send a race car visor. Because, you know, I park my car in the sun like all the time, right? When I'm going in to get groceries? No, I don't. But when I'm at the racetrack, to keep the interior cool, what a freaking cool item. Like, thank you guys so much. I love the hat. Like, I'm so freaking pumped for this weekend, all because of Motul. The 300V, dude, we're gonna keep ripping all weekend long. So follow on, guys. Thank you so much for your help.